Let's assume things are going well. COVID is over. Now the store is operational again. We want to bring it back again. It never really deletes it completely from QuickBooks. So what we do is we're going to this small gear icon again. Underneath new, there's a little gear icon. We're going to click on this one. Again, you're going to see here under other, there is a box, and you're going to click on include inactive. And guess what? Our store in Thornwood that was deleted, you see here, it says deleted, right? Now it is showing here. Now, if I want to make this active, all I have to do is come here on the right side under actions and click on make active. And guess what? It's gonna become active. Okay, so that's how we're gonna do this. So that's practicing how to add a new account under in the chart of accounts, and how to add the sub accounts and how to categorize them.